Hey guys, it's Neha. Today I'm showing you an Indian savory dish called Guntu. They are bowl-shaped dumplings made with fermented urad dal and rice batter. They are one of the everyday breakfast food from South Indian cuisines. In most homes, Guntu are usually made with leftover or over-fermented idli or dosa batter. Guntu turn out crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. You can also make a little pancake with this batter. Let's get to the recipe now. So first of all, in a dosa batter, we're going to add onions, some green chili, chopped ginger, coriander, soaked chana dal. So I soaked them for about 30 minutes, but if you want them under 10 minutes, you can soak them in hot water. And some jeera, also known as cumin seeds, and salt. And now just mix everything together until everything is combined. You can make these punugulu in two ways. Either you can add all the ingredients directly to the dosa batter like what I did, or you can pan fry the onion and green chili and then add it to the batter. I will link all the ingredients in the description below in case you missed anything. To make these punugulu, you need a special pan like this which have holes in them. In South India, you would be able to find them easily. If not, then you can buy them online. Add some oil into each hole and move it around a little so the entire pan is greased. Pour a batter of spoon into each hole and cook it on medium flame. Try not to overfill it, and also do not rush. If not, the punugulu will not cook from the inside. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel with the notifications bell turned on to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Also, like this video. While the punugulu are cooking, I'm also going to show you how to make the little pancakes. So in another pan, pour some oil into the pan and pour the batter into the pan. Place the lid and cook it for a while. The base of the punugulu are golden fried, so now I'm going to flip them over and cook the other side while it's golden and cooked in the inside. So to check whether the inside is cooked or not, I usually poke it with a fork or a skewer to check if it's done inside. You can now take the lid off the pancake and pour some oil on it. And also the base of the pancake is pretty golden, so you can flip it. Once both sides and inside is cooked, you can now transfer it into another bowl. Both the pancake and the punugulu are ready to eat. You can also eat it with chutney or sambar. The punugulu turn out really crispy on the outside, and when I dig inside, they're really soft and fluffy and delicious. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!